The iPhone 18 Pro leaks and rumors are getting more and more exciting. Apple is changing its launch strategy, removing the dynamic island and introducing a brand new display design that might only last for one single year. And on top of that, satellite internet could finally become a real feature on iPhones.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Tech AB. If you enjoy the latest smartphone leaks, future tech features, and Apple update explained a simple way, make sure you're subscribed. Now let's take a closer look at the iPhone 18 Pro and why it could be one of Apple's most important iPhones ever.
Starting with the release timeline, Apple is reportedly changing its usual iPhone launch cycle. From 2026 onward, the regular iPhone 18 will not launch in September. Instead, it will be delayed until March 2027. By September 2026, Apple is expected to launch three new models: the iPhone 18 Pro, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and a brand new premium device, possibly called the iPhone Fold or iPhone Ultra. For now, let's focus on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. In terms of design, the screen size is expected to stay almost the same, and the back design will not change much either. Apple may introduce a few new color options, but those colors have not been finalized yet. The biggest change this year is happening on the front. After 4 years, Apple is finally removing the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro models. Instead, we are getting a punch hole display. According to multiple leaks, this punch hole will be positioned on the left side of the screen and could sit alongside other notification icons. Face ID is expected to move completely under the display. Apple has reportedly developed technology that allows infrared light to pass directly through the screen, removing the need for a dedicated Face ID cutout. What makes this even more interesting is that this punch hole design may only last for 1 year. In 2027, Apple is preparing a special iPhone to celebrate its 20th anniversary. This model is expected to feature a true all-display design with no punch hole, no dynamic island, and possibly even an under-display camera. Because of this, the iPhone 18 Pro could end up being the only iPhone ever released with a punch hole display. The regular iPhone 18, launching later in March 2027, is expected to continue using the dynamic island, similar to the iPhone 17. This move allows Apple to clearly separate the Pro and non-Pro models. Apple is also expected to slightly increase the thickness of the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. This is likely due to a larger battery and new connectivity features. One major rumor suggests that Apple could introduce satellite internet connectivity using low Earth orbit satellites. Currently, iPhones only support emergency satellite messaging, but this feature could expand in the future. When it comes to the camera, there isn't much confirmed information yet. The rear camera layout is expected to remain similar to the iPhone 17 Pro. However, the main wide camera may receive a significant upgrade with a variable aperture lens. This would allow better low light performance and improved control over depth of field. So these are some of the biggest changes and features expected with the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. What do you think about Apple removing the dynamic island and switching to a punch hole display? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.